Ready to use crypto for everyday purchases and peer-to-peer payments? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and set up your Crypto.com Pay wallet for instant, fee-free transactions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Crypto.com Pay makes it incredibly easy to send and receive crypto instantly without network fees. It's perfect for splitting bills with friends or making quick payments to other Crypto.com users. Let me show you how to get started. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Pay tab in the bottom navigation bar. If this is your first time using Pay, you'll see options to set up your wallet and explore the feature. Create your Pay username by following the on-screen prompts. This unique identifier lets other users send you crypto without needing your wallet address. Choose something memorable but professional. Verify your Pay wallet by completing any required security steps. This typically involves confirming your identity and setting up additional security features like PIN protection for transactions. Add contacts by syncing your phone contacts or searching for other users by their Pay username. This makes sending and receiving payments as easy as texting your friends. A crucial pro tip: enable notifications for instant payment alerts, and consider setting up recurring payments for regular transactions. Also, explore the Pay feature's additional benefits like cashback rewards and special merchant offers that are exclusive to Crypto.com Pay users. And just like that, you've created your very own crypto payment wallet. Crypto.com Pay transforms how you handle everyday transactions while earning you rewards along the way. If this guide helps you set up your payment wallet successfully, please give it a like. What's the first thing you'll use your Crypto.com Pay wallet for? Share your plans in the comments below. To continue maximizing your benefits, subscribe for our next video on how to find the Crypto.com referral program. Thanks for watching.